Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your screen sideways on Roblox Mobile. Some Roblox games support landscape mode, and playing sideways lets you see more of the game world. So yeah, it's super handy if you want a wider view. First, make sure your phone's screen orientation isn't locked. Swipe down from the top of your screen and look for the orientation lock icon. If it's highlighted, tap it to turn it off. Now, with orientation unlocked, just rotate your phone sideways. Roblox will automatically switch to landscape view if the game supports it. And that's it. You'll now see more of the sides of your game, making it easier to play and explore. So, that's how you turn your screen sideways on Roblox Mobile. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial.